morning, students. We are going to see our part 5 of our third lesson, and the lesson name is More About Plants. We had already completed the lesson. In this part, we are going to discuss about the new words, the concept map or the flow chart, and some one mark questions. Okay, let us see. New words. First one, scatter. S-C-A-T-T-E-R. Scatter. The word meaning is the spreading down of the seeds in a random directions, or spreading anything, throwing anything in random direction is called as scatter. In any direction, okay, just throwing it is called as scatter. S-C-A-T-T-E-R. Scatter. Second one, tufts. T-U-F-T-S. Tufts. T-U-F-T-S. Tufts. Tufts is bunches. Okay, bunches of hairs. I already said then dispersal of seeds. Wind dispersal, I said tufts of hair or wings. A bunch of hair. Okay, around the seed there will be a bunches of hair, which makes the seeds to fly from the mother plant to any other place. Okay, and the next one is irrigate. Irrigate. I-R-R-I-G-A-T-E. Irrigate. Irrigate is nothing but the proper water supply which was given to the land before planting any crop. Okay, irrigate, proper water supply. I-R-R-I-G-A-T-E. Irrigate. And the process is called as irrigation. Okay, that process is called as irrigation, is nothing but the proper water supply to the land before planting any crop. Fourth one, insecticides. Pronounce the word properly, then only you can able to write the spelling correctly. Insecticides. Insecticides. Insecticides is, it is spraying. It is a chemical used to kill the insects which cause damage to the crops. Insecticides. Fifth one, pesticides. Pesticides. Pronounce it again. Pesticides. P-E-S-T-I-C-I-D-E-S. Pesticides. It is used to kill the harmful plants or any other small animals in the farm. The sixth one is harvesting. Harvesting. H-A-R-V-E-S-T-I-N-G. Harvesting is nothing but the cutting down of the crops. Okay, cutting down of the crops when it is grown fully. When a crop has grown fully, and after that growing period, they will cut the crops for the purpose. Okay, the seventh one is soaked. Soaked. S-O-A-K-E-D. Soaked. Wetting. By wetting a seed by immersing in a liquid is called as soaking. Okay, we will put that seed in the water to make it fully soft. Soaked. Soaked or soaking. S-O-A-K-E-D. Soaked. Eighth one, germinate. Germinate. Pronounce it properly. Germinate. G-E-R-M-I-N-A-T-E. Germinate. Germinate is nothing but already I said when I was taking the lesson, the growth of plant from the seed. That process is called as germination. The baby plant from the seed. This ninth one is dispersal. Dispersal. D-I-S-P-E-R-S-A-L. Dispersal. Tenth one, foliage. Foliage, that is group of plant leaf. Foliage. You kindly note down all the new words. Shall we move to the 11th one? Immerse. 11th one is immerse. I-M-M-E-R-S-E, immerse. Immerse is nothing but the dipping. Okay, dipping of the seed in the water is called as immerse. 12th one, obtain. Obtain. O-B-T-A-I-N. Obtain. 13th one, extract. E-X-T-R-A-C-T. Extract. Extract means removing one thing from the, for example, the oil seeds, or from the oil seed we are extracting the oil. 14th one, infect. Infect. I-N-F-E-C-T. Infect. 15th one, nourishment. Nourishment. N-O-U-R-I-S-H-M-E-N-T. Nourishment. Nourishment is nothing but the food which is needed for the growth of the plant. Nourishment. 16th one, sown. S-O-W-N. Sown. It is nothing but the process of putting the seed into the soil for the growth of the new plant. Sown. 17th one, explosion. Explosion. Bursting. Okay, any explosion, bursting. 18th one, moist. Moist. 19th one, spores. Spores. S-P-O-R-E-S. Spores. 20th one, fungicides. Fungicides is nothing but which is used to it is a chemical used to spray for the fungus, for preventing the fungus to get inside the farm. Fungicides. Okay, now let us see the concept map. It is also called as flowchart. For your easy observation I had given you for like this diagram, or else while we are writing in the note we will write in a flowchart format only. Okay, first one is reproduction in plants. Reproduction in plants. What are the process, what are the ways of reproduction in plants? Through seeds. First one, through seeds, through spores, by other parts of plant. First one through seeds, second one through spores, third one by other parts of the plant. So the reproduction is done by these three ways only: through seeds, through spores, and by other parts of the plant. Second one, dispersal of seeds. What are the ways of dispersal? What are the agents of dispersal of seeds? Wind, water, animals, natural explosion. By wind, by water, by animals, and by natural explosion. These are the ways of dispersal of seeds. Okay. The next one is reproduction through body parts. Through their body parts, how a new plant grows. The four things are: from underground stem, from underground stem, from stem cuttings, from stem cuttings, from roots, from roots, and the last is from leaves, from leaves. So by this four things only the plant will reproduce through their body parts. I repeat once again, reproduction is done through their body parts by underground stem, from underground stem, from stem cuttings, from roots, and from leaves. Okay, And the next is kinds of crops. Kinds of crops. Food crops, oil producing crops, and fiber crops. Food crops, oil producing crops, and fiber crops. Okay, kinds of crops, food crops, oil producing crops, and fiber crops. The next is fill-ups. The first one is xanthium seeds are dispersed by dash. Xanthium seeds are dispersed by dash. How the xanthium seeds are dispersed? Xanthium seeds will be having a hook-like structure around the seeds. It will be dispersed by animals. The answer is animals. Second question. New plants can grow from the leaves of dash. New plants can grow from the leaves of dash. Bryophyllum. Bryophyllum. Read the spelling properly. Bryophyllum. Bryophyllum. Third question is insecticides and pesticides protects crop from being destroyed by dash and dash. Insecticides and pesticides protect crops from being destroyed by dash and dash. Insects and pests. Insects and pests. In the name itself it was given insecticides. So insect. Pesticides. So pest. Fourth question. Dash of coconut helps to float in water. What helps the coconut to float in water? Fibrous outer covering. Fibrous outer covering. Fifth one. Any part of potato that has dash on it can grow into a new plant. Any part of potato that has dash on it can grow into a new plant. What is that? Bud. From the bud only the new plant will grow. So any part of potato that has bud on it can grow into a new plant. Sixth one, the crops which grows from November to April are called dash crops. Name the crop which grows from November to April. What crop is? Rabi crops. Rabi crops. R-A-B-I. Rabi crops. Seventh question. Non-flowering plants reproduce through dash. Non-flowering plants reproduce through dash. By which process? Through spores. Okay, through spores. S-P-O-R-E-S. Spores. Eighth question. Flowers wither and change into dash. Flowers wither and change into dash. Fruits. Okay, the flower will change into a fruit. The baby plant with shoot and root is called as seedling. The baby plant with shoot and root is called as seedling. Okay, S-E-E-D-L-I-N-G. Seedling. 10th one. Add dash to increase the fertility of the soil. Add dash to increase the fertility of the soil. Manure. Add dash to increase the fertility of the soil. Manure. M-A-N-U-R-E. Manure. M-A-N-U-R-E. Manure. Okay. Now, are you clear about these questions? Okay. Let us see the small recap of what we had seen now. The new words. First one, scatter. S-C-A-T-T-E-R. Scatter. Second one, tufts. 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 Tufts is nothing but a bunch of, okay, bunch of leaves or bunch. In our lesson it was given as bunch of hairs which was surrounding the seeds in the dispersal of wind. Okay. Third one, irrigate. 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 Fourth one, insecticides. 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 Fifth one, pesticides. 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 Sixth one, harvesting. 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 Seventh one, soaked. 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 Eighth one, germinate. 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 Ninth one, dispersal. 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 Tenth one, foliage. 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 11th one, immerse. 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 12th one, obtain. 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 13th one, extract. 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 14th one, infect. 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 15th one, nourishment. 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 16th one, sown. 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 17th one, explosion. 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 18th one, moist. 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 19th one, spores. 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 20th one, fungicides. 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 Let us see the concept map once again. First one, reproduction in plants. Reproduction in plants through seeds, through spores, and through other parts of the plant. Reproduction is done by through seeds, through spores, and other parts of the plant. Second one, dispersal of seeds. It was done by wind, water, natural explosion, animals. Wind, water, natural explosion, and animals. Third concept is reproduction through body parts. From stem cuttings, from leaves, from underground stem, and from roots. Okay. Fourth one is kinds of crops. Food crops, oil producing crops, and fiber crops. Food crops, oil producing crops, and fiber crops. Phyllops. Xanthium seeds are dispersed by animals. Xanthium seeds are dispersed by animals. New plants can grow from the leaves of bryophyllum. New plants can grow from the leaves of bryophyllum. Insecticides and pesticides protect crop from being destroyed by insects and pests. Okay. Fibrous outer covering of coconut helps to float in water. Fibrous outer covering of coconut helps to float in water. Any part of potato that has bud on it can grow into a new plant. Any part of potato that has bud on it can grow into a new plant. The crops which grows from November to April are called as rabi crops. The crops which grows from November to April are called as rabi crops. Non-flowering plants reproduce through spores. Non-flowering plants reproduce through spores. Eighth one, flowers wither and change into fruits. Flowers wither and change into fruits. Baby plant with shoot and a root is called seedling. Baby plant with shoot and root is called seedling. Add manure to increase the fertility of the soil. Add manure to increase the fertility of the soil. Okay. Now we had completed our revision for our conjugates, for the flow chart, for the fill-ups. Okay. Thank you, students.